Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Duppy Hitchhiker. Full story. One night, in the parish of St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, a man was on his way home. He had been out drinking. There is a church nearby his house that he passes every night. As he was driving past the church, a lady stopped him looking for a ride. He stopped and let the lady know that he lives topside the church, so he's not going far. The lady still got into his van. His wife and son was inside the house watching TV. When they heard him outside telling someone that his ear saw him stop, they thought that he was on the phone, but he continued talking. Then they hear him say, "Okay, me I could carry you down there." By the time him drive off, him dacked him here couple minutes after, running back to the house and screaming. He banged the door, pleading for them to open it. When them finally let him in, it was like a furnace. The room temperature completely changed. It was hot like a fire was burning right there in the room. He started calling everybody, telling them that him pick up Duppy. He said that when him reached down where the lady begged him to drop her off, the lady just disappeared out the van. He was sure that the door wasn't open, because if it did, it would have made a lot of noise because it was an old van. Him bolt out of the van, leaving it there still trotting down the road till it run out of gas. His son couldn't sleep that night because he slept alone in his room and was terrified. Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube. Link in bio.